So I'm back, and I'm sorry. But here's a Mustang. So let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback. The scale is 118. The manufacturer is Ertl, the American Muscle Authentics line. The release date was 2006, and the part number is 39300. Let's dig in. The first thing I noticed when I saw this model up close is how shiny it is. The color is called Raven Black, and it looks damn good. The model's weight is pretty perfect, and it feels like proper diecast. The front grille, emblems, and headlights are quite detailed. The lines on the model are nice, no big gaps between the doors and panels. Notice that the reverse or backup lights are separate and placed in the bumper. Believe it or not, but those weren't even standard on the 1965 Mustangs. Unfortunately, there's some paint rash on this one, and it's a bummer. A working suspension is always nice to see, and a detailed one for that matter. You can see the Authentics logo on the bottom as well. Here's a lovely example of the 1965 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. The emblems are well done, like this Mustang 2+2 and the 289, referring of course to the 289 cubic inch V8 engine. I like how Ertl chose to cover the tires with plastic. That's a very nice touch on the Authentics line. The license plate would look very cool on an actual 2+2 Mustang Fastback. The windshield wipers aren't too fancy. The interior is ivory colored and it works very well with the exterior black paint. There are plenty of details on the inside, like this door handle for instance. I just feel so bad that I didn't wear gloves for this video. I cleaned the model very well after I was done. Fastback is a term that refers to a vehicle styling where the body has a single slope in an unbroken line from the roof to the tail of said vehicle. The Fastback style isn't restricted to pony cars only. 2+2 refers to 2 seats in the front and 2 seats in the back, as in you can fit more than 2 people in the car. So it's not a 2-seater sports car. There's less legroom in the back than in the front though, so hopefully whomever sits in the back would be even shorter than me. I like a lot about this model. The 3-prong spinners on the wheels, the plastic covered white wall tires, the striking color, even though the paint has some issues, the finishing quality, and the overall look and feel of the car. This is a good one, and I'm glad I have it in my collection. And that's that.